next time you'll get the number 4. So you need to make a choice. Are you going to move? You might get a 4 the next time.
No, I get a 3 next time.
You might get a 3 next time. I don't know.
But I will get a 4 next time. I get a 4 today.
Are you moving your person or no?
But no.
Okay.
That's a dog.
So it's Miss Meredith's turn. Addison, ready? No. You. All right, I got a 1. So I get to move 1. 1. Let's see what my card says. Oh, that's a thumb. Oh, this is a hard one. This is a thumb. So thumb starts with a T and an H. Can we point to the T?
No.
Well, that's an H. This is an A. I know, it looks like a T. That's the H. Here's the T right here. T, H. You're right, that is an I. It looks similar to a T for her.
But this is an A.
That is an A. All right, Addison, you ready to spin?
No, it's mine.
You're after Addison.
It's not after Addison, but even went to card 4.
Push it really hard so it goes around.
Then it
There you
says,
go.
yeah,
3. Ready? Move your person 3.
It doesn't time for
Yeah, 1, 2,
for everyone playing
3. This
games.
one's 3.
You're after Addison.
But it's not.
Okay, let's see what your card says.
But it's only
Log.
4,
We're going to look at the word
Mommy,
log.
it's
What
gonna
letter
go
does
on
log
4.
start with?
We'll have to see what you get.
Ethan, what letter does log start with?
Nothing.
What does log start with?
No.
The letter
Still
L.
has the dog.
Here's the capital letter L. La.
Which is what so has the dog.
Are you ready to spin?
But yes,
And it doesn't matter what number you get.
I'm gonna get 4.
You got 4.
Yes, I did.
All right, move 4.
I can move 4 on Super One.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, pick your card.